everyone, it's Blakely with Everyday Gourmet. So for the holidays, I always love making a really yummy cocktail all the time because why not? It's festive, it's fun, and pomegranates always look so festive because they're red. So I'm gonna show you a great cocktail. In here, I'm doing equal parts of sugar and water, like a half cup and a half cup. I'm gonna add some rosemary. I'm also gonna add some orange peel right in here. So I'm gonna let this come up to a simmer, let it dissolve, and then I'm gonna turn it off and let it come to room temperature. That's cocktail time. Okay, it's time to make the cocktail. So in my shaker here, I have an orange slice. I'm just gonna muddle up a little bit of that orangey flavor. I'm gonna add some ice in here. I'm gonna do a little bit of pomegranate juice, not too much. About an ounce or so. I'm also gonna add some vodka. And then I'm gonna add some of the beautiful rosemary simple syrup right in here. Okay, and put our lid on. All right, done. What I'm gonna do, just strain this baby in here. Top off with just a little bit of some club soda. Get a little fizzy. And then I like to just garnish with the rosemary and some of these pomegranate seeds. And you have one festive cocktail. Can't wait to try it. So my cocktail is done. How easy is that? It smells amazing. Oh yeah, I think that's exactly what Santa Claus ordered. How delicious is that, my pomegranate orange cocktail? I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to Everyday Gourmet for more delicious holiday recipes and videos. Cheers!